A nice way to add a personal touch to your gift giving is with some handmade tags. In this video, I'll show you how I used Canva to create these super cute holiday tags. We're going to start by going to canva.com and we will click on Create a Design, Custom Dimensions, and I'm selecting inches so I can put in that I would like it to be 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. I'm going to select Elements and I am looking for shapes, a specific shape. In fact, I thought that some hexagon tags would be adorable. I chose this hexagon, resized it, and changed the color. Now I'm looking for a secondary hexagon to place over top. I wanted to create the look of stitching around the border of this little tag. So I found this shape and I placed it on top. Select them both, copy, and paste it right next to the first one. I did that one more time so that there are 3 across the top of my paper. Now I'm going to adjust the color so I have 3 different colored tags. Okay, let's look for some cute images. I start by looking for a snowman. This guy is adorable. Like with a lot of things on Canva, you're able to adjust the colors of pretty much everything in this image. So once I get it positioned where I want it to be, I change a few details, like the colors of his scarf. I like this little gingerbread guy, so I clicked on that and I'm going to place it over here on this gray tag. Adjust it. I'm turning these about 1/3 of the way. And now I'm looking for a 3rd shape. This little ornament is absolutely adorable. And again, I'll be able to change the colors to suit my preferences, as will you. Once I've got it in position, I'm able to change the colors. I'm looking for some good contrast against that pale pink background, and I think 2 tones of green would be awesome for this little happy ornament. Play around with the colors till you find the color combination that you prefer. And a red bow. Perfect. So this is what my sheet looks like so far. I've got 3 tags, so I'm going to select them all and I copy them and paste. I love how Canva gives you these grids to let you know when you've gone halfway. I copied it and pasted it again. And that's my sheet. I've got 12 tags on this sheet. One is fun, but more is better. So how about we make a few very simple, more traditional tags? Check the description box below for links to all these videos, as well as a link to download this free PDF. Thanks for watching and happy making!